Hi everyone, this is Afzal Bijli here. Hope you're all doing fine. So today what we are going to learn is a DB visualizer, okay, concept of a DB visualizer. So in our data engineering lab, okay, if you see this is exercise number 8 and exercise number 9 is also the DB visualizer. But we are going to see how to work with a DB visualizer. This is very important, okay. So design a data model for MongoDB using DB visualizer. So I'll be going step by step process. How do we do that? So very first thing is you can just go to the Google, okay, and search for okay, just open the browser and search for DB visualizer. This is the installation part which I'm explaining you here. So just click on the DB visualizer software here, and what you can do here is can you see dbvis.com? Just go there and try to just download it, okay. Once you download it, so for Windows version you can download and just install it. So while installing, select the option called as a free forever option, okay. That is a best thing to do. And during installation it will ask for the master password. You don't have to enter any master password. So once you install it, right, one after installing it, this is how it looks like, okay. This is a just go and search. So this is the DB visualizer. This is how it looks like. So it's just trying to load here. So we'll just check. Okay, so DB visualizer is okay. So DB visualizer is installed. So next thing what you have to do, okay, see this is how it looks like. So we'll close this thing, okay. We'll go with the starting. Okay, so I'll just remove this connections and all these things and we'll go from the start. So this is how your DB visualizer, whenever you go, right, this is how it looks like, okay, fine. So let me just close this here as of now. What we will do here is, see, according to the record, okay, the first step is what you have to do is open a MongoDB shell, Mongosh, and create a administrator user and password, okay. So what you have to do here is go to Mongosh, sorry, go to the command line here, open the command prompt. Here what you have to do is Mongosh, right, just go to the Mongosh here. So so our MongoDB shell is open, right. So here what you do here is so show DBS. So if you see the DBS databases, right, you can see lot of databases, admin, college, config, everything. So we have to choose the admin database. So we have to use admin as a database here, okay. Just do it. So once admin database is created, right, what it will ask to create a user, okay. So let us just copy this code and put it there. Let me check if it works. See here, so I'll just show you a small shortcut. So copy paste becomes difficult in that part, okay. So what we will do here is we'll just copy this thing, okay, and what we will do here is we'll open the notepad, okay. We'll open a notepad here. We'll first paste this on the notepad, okay. So here I have to create a user, right. So let me just create a new user. So what I will do here is, here I will set Afzal1 and password is also, I will set it as a Afzal1, okay. So here if you see create user, so Afzal1 and password is also Afzal1. Okay, and the role is, it should be read write, and database is my database. No need to change in this thing, okay. Now I will just copy this thing, okay. I'll just copy this thing and go to the Mongosh, okay, where what I have to do is I have to paste this thing. So if I just click here, right, it will be created. So we have created a username Afzal1 here, okay. So MongoDB part is over. So now what we will do here is we will open a DB visualizer, okay, DB visualizer in this place. Okay, and what you do here is on the left hand side can you see the plus button here? Just click on the plus button here and just search for a MongoDB driver. Okay, so MongoDB, double click. So if you see, so it will ask, so here if you see here, right, it is asking for a username password. So what is the user you created there? Afzal1, and password is also we created like a Afzal1. Afzal1, and I will just try to connect here. So if you see, right, so once it is connected successfully, I should be able to see all the databases that are already available. Okay, so now what we will do here is, okay, so we'll just try to create one. The next step is we have to create a shop. Okay, so let me already you can see shop name database is there. So let me just create. Okay, so now see here. So on on top left hand side, right, on the top side, can you see a plus button here? So I'll just go, and can you see something called as a new SQL commander, right? Just click on the new SQL commander here. So it will open a page for you. Okay, so here only you have to do all the typing work. So let me create a database here. Okay, so what is the database? Use shop. So instead of that, I'll just create a database called as a use let me just put it as a use yeah, let me just put it as a shop 1. Okay, shop 1. Okay, so I just have to select this thing and run it. Okay, then what happened? A new database is created, but still it is not created. What is the reason here? If I just refresh on the left, if I see, it is not yet created, right? So what I have to do here is, once I have to end, now database is created, but once we put the collection only, it will be created, right? So that is a reason we have to put the create collection. So let me just put all the create collections here and put it across here. Okay, so let me just create, let me choose all this thing, because we are going to create the collections, and run it. Okay, finished. Now if you go to the left hand side and refresh, right, can you see a new database called as a shop1 is created here? So once you expand it, right, you'll be able to see all the collections. So this is created. Okay, so now what we will do here is, let me just go there. Let me insert one value. Okay, let me see. Okay, inside the, okay, we have 3 collections: orders, product, and users, right? So we will insert one product and check. Okay, db.product.insert1. Okay, and I will just insert some value here. Now let me just select only this thing, okay, and run it. So what happened? So one thing is inserted, right? So inside the product, it is a value has been inserted. So okay, so now where do we go and check this value? Just guess. To find out this, what you should do here is simply just like MongoDB, Mongo should do, right? So so what you have to do? db dot collection name. What is the db dot products dot find, right? Just put it and select this line, okay, and run it. So now can you see here? Can you see here? So this is whatever you inserted, right? You will be able to see the results here. Okay, let me just insert one more thing. Let us do inside the orders. Okay, let me just put db.orders insert 1. Okay, so I'm entering some orders. Okay, just put it across and insert something into the orders collection. Okay, let me just run it. So it is created. Now how do I find the order here? So db dot orders dot find. If you just put it right and just make sure you select only this line and run it. Now if you see, only the order has been displayed. So how much order you have ordered and all this thing is displayed. So I hope this is clear for you, right? So this is how you had to work with your DB visualizer. Okay. So I hope this is clear. So thank you everyone. Thank you.